How to turn off snippets on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to disable snippets on Gmail easy and fast. All what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Gmail. As you can see, this is the home page right here. Now go to the top and click on the settings option. Now click on see all settings right here and scroll down. On this page you will find many options. Scroll down until you find the snippets right here. Click no snippets, choose no snippets, and now click on save changes here down below. Very easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.